In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the legend name in Google Sheets. Whether you're customizing charts for a presentation or simply tidying up your data visuals, updating legend names can make your sheets more professional and informative. Let's dive into it. To begin, you'll want to open your Google Sheets and have the document ready that contains the chart you want to modify. Assuming you've already got your data organized and your chart created, the first step is to click on the chart itself. This will bring up some options and highlight your chart, indicating it's ready for further edits. After selecting your chart, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the More Options button. It often appears as 3 vertical dots. Click on these to expand a menu with several additional options. In this menu, you'll find an Edit Chart option. Click it, and a side panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Now in this sidebar, you'll see 2 main tabs at the top: Setup and Customize. For changing legend names, we need to focus on the Customize tab, so go ahead and click on that. This takes you into the area where you can make various aesthetic adjustments to your chart. Within the Customize menu, locate the Legend section. Clicking on Legend will drop down a few options specifically for this part of your chart. Here, we're particularly interested in the Position setting. Select the drop-down list under Position and choose Top. This ensures that your legend is prominently displayed above your chart, making it easily visible for those interacting with your data. Once your legend is positioned as desired, you can start changing the names. To do this, simply double-click on each legend name within your chart. This action will allow you to edit directly. You can now type in your updates, making sure each name accurately reflects the data it's representing. But the customization doesn't stop there. You have the option to adjust the appearance of the legend further by modifying the legend font, legend size, legend format, and text color. This is especially useful if you want to maintain consistent branding or highlight specific datasets with different styles. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have a cleaner, more professional chart in no time, equipped with custom legend names that enhance its clarity and utility. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your Google Sheets adventures. See you in the next video.